Yo, that shit shot?
Yeah.
I felt that
shit out, bro.
Huh?
He emptied it out in front of us. I don't know how it had a round, bro.
Nigga, I felt that shit. I thought it came in the car. Wallah, I felt it in the back of my...
Yeah. It probably sent something in the car, like the gravel. Yeah. That's crazy how that happened. That's why I fucking put it down and shot it. He even emptied it, bro. Yeah. He emptied it out, bro. He's like, yeah, feel my trigger. He emptied the second clip. Gives it to me. Here's the second trigger.